Have you ever thought to yourself, man, it'd be cool to make my own app? I spend half my day on Musical.ly anyway. Why don't I just make an app that's even better than Musical.ly? If you've ever wondered that, this tutorial is for you. We're making our own apps and it's happening now. You're going to need yourself an Android phone and you're going to need this app right here, the MIT AI2 Companion. This app is going to allow you to talk to your computer where you do all your coding. Now you need to find the Appinventor website. So if you go to Google, you're going to look and search for Appinventor. And it's the first one, so it's MIT Appinventor. Now from here, you're going to be able to go in and create your own apps. So you're going to click on Create Apps. Now once this loads, you're going to be able to make your own account. So your account is going to be your Google account. So it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account right now. Once you log in with your Google account, you're going to see this screen. Don't worry about it for now because it's just going to help you later. Click on Continue. You might open up a project if you already have one, but you go up to Projects and you do Start New Project to make a new one. It's going to ask you for a project name, and there you're going to put in whatever you want to call your project. I'm just going to call mine Hello. You can't add any spaces in your project name either. So click OK, and then it's going to make you a new project. Basically, the first thing to know is that there's a designer mode. So this is where you make things pretty, like all the things you're going to see. So you can drag in things like buttons and images and all those different things. And then you go to the block mode, and this is where you drag in blocks that are going to kind of show how your application is going to run. So for right now, you want to do the designer mode and drag on a button. By default, it's going to give you this like text for button 1, and you can go down and change that right over here, right where it says text, and I'm just going to say hello. After that, I want to go down to media because I want my program to be where I click this button and I want to say something. So I want to go to media and I'm going to have it do text to speech. So I'm going to drag text to speech over here, and now I have a text to speech component. After that, we're going to go over to the block, and we want to look at our different blocks that we have available to us. So we have control blocks that when certain things happen, and there's other blocks on here too. We have text blocks, which I'm actually going to drag out some text. And what else do I want? Procedures. Oh, you know what? I can click right on my button, and I can say, hey, when button 1 is clicked, do something. So I'm going to bring that out. And then there's text to speech. So I want to say, when I click this button, I want to say something, and I'm going to put something in there. So I go to text to speech, and I say, when button 1 is clicked, I want to have it call text to speech to say a message right there. So you bring a block in, and you can notice they snap together like puzzle pieces. So see how this yellow is coming up? It's going to snap right together. Sounds great. Once it snaps together, then I'm going to snap this piece together. So I'm saying, all right, when the button 1 is clicked, call text to speech to say a message. I want to say hello. I'll just say hello, everybody. And there's our code for our first app. Now we got to go back to our phone. So wake up our phone, we got to open up our MIT Companion. And you're going to see, you can scan a QR code. So I want to hit scan QR code, and we're going to have to find a QR code to scan on our computer. To make the QR code for our computer, you go up here and you want to do connect, and you want to do AI Companion, which is the app that we have on our phone. It's going to bring up this QR code, which then you just hold your phone up to it and start scanning. Now you're going to see your app has come up. It's pretty boring, but there's our hello button. And when you hit the hello button,
hello everybody.
Oh my gosh, this is groundbreaking. You've just made your first app.